Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to easily change your display name on the Remind app. Whether you are a student, teacher, or parent, having the correct display name makes your account more personal and recognizable to others. First, open the Remind app on your device. Next, look at the top left corner and click on the three-line menu icon. Then look at the Settings icon and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, locate and select your account option. Scroll down carefully until you find the field labeled Display Name. Here, tap on it and enter the new display name that you want others to see. After entering the new name, the app will update it instantly, so there is no need to save manually. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.